everyone. We are back again with sequence and series, the chapter that falls under mathematics grade 12, right? So in this case, we'll be treating section 1.3. Section 1.3, geometric sequence. In the previous videos, we treated quadratic sequence, we treated arithmetic sequence. So right now we'll be treating geometric sequence, right? So without wasting any time, let's just begin. So quadratic sequence, right? Quadratic sequence. How do you recognize quadratic sequence? You recognize geometric sequence. You recognize geometric sequence by the common ratio, right? So when you divide term number 2 with term number 1, or when you divide term number 3 with term number 2, you must just get the same number, meaning you have the common ratio, right, of that sequence. So to find the general formula, the general formula of a what? A geometric sequence, you do what? It's Tn is equals to A multiplied by R, which stands for ratio, to the power n minus 1, where A is our what? A is our first term, the first term of the sequence, and Tn is the last term of the sequence. If maybe they have given you Tn is the last term of the sequence, and n is a what? N is the term number or the position of a term. So remember, they can be like term number 7. So they will be like T7. So meaning your n from the expression they've given you, meaning your n is 7, right? So when you see n, you're going to put 7, something like that, right? It's an example. So R is our what? It's our common ratio. It's our common ratio, meaning that when you divide term number 2 with term number 1 and dividing term number 3 divided by term number 2, it must give you the same thing to make it common, right? So the video is short, guys. This is the end of the lesson. So if maybe you understood what I was trying to say, you can just treat the example below, which is I just took it from somewhere. So calculate the general formula and T term number 2. So meaning you have to do what? You have to use the sequence, the first sequence there, 3, 6, and 12. You're going to use what? Remember, you divide 6 with 3, 12 with 6, and then you find the common ratio, and then you do what? That the common ratio, it means that's your R, and then the first term is what? Is 3 there, and then I said find what? Find term number 2, so meaning your n is going to be 2, and then you find the what? The general formula there, and then the second example, you'll be doing 2, 4, and 8, right? So please treat that to show that you were listening and you grabbed some knowledge from what I was trying to say. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and up next we'll be treating section 1.4. Stay tuned.